Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Crosh with Control plus Alt plus T, and you start by focusing on what you need: quick diagnostics or deeper shell commands. Once Crosh appears, type Help to list basic commands. This orients you and prevents random typing. Make sure you have the Chromebook awake and any USB devices unplugged to avoid device conflicts. If you need elevated access later, set aside time to enable developer features. For now, stay in Crosh to run safe. Read-only checks and connectivity tests. Start with ping to verify network reachability. That tells you latency and packet loss immediately. Next, run top to observe CPU spikes and memory usage in real time. You can use memory test for a focused RAM check. For Wi-Fi issues, run network diag, which collects connection stats and writes a small log you can review. Once done, read the output carefully and note timestamps. This helps correlate events with symptoms and makes any follow-up diagnostics faster and more. To finish, type exit or press Ctrl plus D to close Crosh and preserve session logs. If a command fails, reboot the Chromebook and try again. Often transient services reset on restart. Make sure your Chrome OS is up to date before blaming hardware. If problems persist, copy or photograph the exact error output, because precise messages speed up support help. One key tip: enable diagnostics only when instructed. Incorrect developer changes can void support options. Keep notes on what you ran.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.